Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Bodum Bistro electric coffee grinder. You can get this product on Amazon for about $20. Check out the link in the description. The coffee grinder comes with a short user manual, which tells you everything you need to know about the device. My first impression is very positive. It feels like a good quality product and it looks really nice. Using the coffee grinder is very easy and it just takes a few seconds to grind your coffee beans. You just have to push the button. I tested the coffee grinder for about 6 months and I think it's a great product. It works very well, it's very easy to use, it doesn't take up too much space and it looks pretty nice. And it's also not too noisy. So if you are looking for a not too expensive, good quality coffee grinder, I would recommend the Bodum Bistro electric coffee grinder. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.